Hello friends, welcome back to Bioneeds. Today we will discuss the structure of nephron. Nephron is the structure and function unit of the kidney, and each human kidney contains about 1 million of nephron, and it helps in the filtration of blood, removal of waste, formation of urine, and maintain water and salt balance. And here you can see this is the structure of nephron, and nephron is present inside the kidney. Millions of nephrons is present in each kidney. This is a glomerulus where the afferent and arteriole and efferent arteriole are connected, and inside this is a capillary tube like structure. This one is Bowman's capsule, and this structure is called proximal convoluted tubule, and this is called the loop of Henle, and this is called distal convoluted tubule, and this one is collecting duct where all the waste material are collected in this collecting duct. First of all, we understand how blood is filtered. When all the bloods come through the afferent arterioles and enter this glomerulus, afferent arteriole is thicker than efferent arteriole, so it creates pressure, and here ultrafiltration is occur, and due to pressure then some important nutrients and ions are come on this Bowman's capsule, like Na plus, sodium ion, chlorine ion, and nutrients H2O. This one is come on this Bowman's capsule, and inside the Bowman's capsule reabsorption is occur. All the important materials are reabsorbed in this Bowman's capsules. First, proximal convoluted tubule, it reabsorb iron, water, and nutrients, and remove toxin and adjust filtrate pH. Then one is a descending loop of Henle, where the aquaporins allow, here lots of aquaporins are present, and it allow water to pass from the filtrate and into the intestinal fluid. And this is the ascending loop of Henle, where it absorb sodium and chlorine ion from the filtrate and enter into the intestinal fluid. And this is distal convoluted tubule. It selectively secrete and absorb different ions to maintain blood pH and electrolyte balance. And all the waste material come through the collecting duct, where reabsorbs and solutes and water from the filtrate. From this collecting duct, waste material come through the ureter and passes through the urinary bladder, where through urinary bladder it removed from the body. So this is overview of nephrons. I hope you understand. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.